Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's learn about string formatting. You cannot combine strings and numbers directly like this. But you can combine strings and numbers by using f-strings or the format method. Let's see that now. I am setting up a variable with an integer value. Next, I use the print function to display a string along with the integer using f-string formatting. Check out the result. It printed both string and integer without any error. In the previous example, I used a placeholder, a curly bracket, and placed the variable inside it. A placeholder can contain variables, operations, functions, and modifiers to format the value. We can also use format specifications by adding a colon within the placeholder. Let's see an example for that. I used the print function to display the price by applying format specifications with a colon and .2f. Check out the result, it displays 125.00. Here, the .2f formats the number as a floating point value with 2 decimal places. We can also perform mathematical operations here. Please take a look. We got the expected result. Alright. Let's see the escape character. The escape character is a backslash. We can use an escape character to insert special characters in a string. Let's see that now. I am setting up a variable with the value learn Python with me. I want to use double quotes around the word Python within the string. To do that, I use a backslash, followed by double quotes. Alright. Let's see the result. We got the expected result. Now, we know how to use double quotes for specific words within a string that is itself surrounded by double quotes. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next video.